So how do you unlock a locked note on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works and let's explain that. So if you are first time on Foxtecc, check out the rest of the videos and subscribe because you don't want to miss videos like this one. Now, whenever you get inside your notes and you have like a locked note, you're going to tap on the view note button, right? And it will ask you to either authenticate yourself through the Face ID. It might be a numbers passcode or a completely different password. Doesn't matter. You have to just authenticate yourself to get inside. And the point is that, of course, you can now lock it again and just go back to your phone and the note will remain locked. But if you want to lift up the lock from the note generally, you also need to tap on the three dots in the top right, and there is the remove lock button in the top right corner. It's in the same position where we tapped on the lock button to, initiate the locking behavior. You can now do it like that, and you can see that the lock has been lifted, meaning that it's going to behave as every other regular node which is open to be read by anyone, right? So that's how you can manage it within the Apple Notes app. Keep in mind, however, that there are also different applications which might allow some different features, but I believe that this one gets the job done. It's from Apple, it's official, so you don't even need to download anything. So I quite find this to be working well enough. So let me know your thoughts and just like your feedback below in the comments. Stay tuned for more videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you there.